This short video is from a comprehensive course on Udemy. In this video, we'll get started with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the primary tool that we're going to be working with at first during this course. And we're going to use ChatGPT to learn about the basics of AI prompts. Now, we're going to look at a bunch of other tools as well, but we can apply all of the knowledge we learn here in ChatGPT to all of the other tools that we're going to look at. So this is really the best place to start is with AI chatbots. And we call them chatbots because they allow you to chat with an artificial intelligence tool and ask it questions, just like you were chatting with a person. So before we begin, it's important that we understand the overall nature of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has access to a great deal of information. And what it's doing is it's processing and presenting the information that it has learned. It doesn't have opinions. It doesn't have feelings about the data. It just takes what we ask and gives us the data that we're asking for. And so this can be a massive time saver. As we go through the course, you'll see just how many capabilities AI has to help you with day-to-day tasks that maybe took you hours. Now you can get them done in moments. ChatGPT and all of the other chatbots that we're going to look at are basically chat-based personal assistants. You ask them what you want and they deliver. But with ChatGPT and all of these other AI tools that we're going to look at, it's still not perfect. You still need to double check the accuracy of the data, and you may need to modify your prompts to get exactly what you're looking for. Now, the current industry leader is ChatGPT, so that's the one we're going to dig into the deepest. But again, understanding ChatGPT will help you to easily use all of the other AI tools that we are going to present here. But before you get started with ChatGPT, it's really important to understand that there are different versions. And so ChatGPT version 3.5 is the free version. And it's pretty fast. It works well most of the time. But you're getting the free version and you kind of get what you pay for. Sometimes it may be slow. Sometimes it may be unavailable. It can only support so many prompts happening at the same time. And so if there's a large number of people using ChatGPT version 3.5, it may not be very responsive for you. But I found that that's kind of rare. Most of the time, it's going to work just fine. The other important characteristic to know about version 3.5 is that the knowledge cutoff is September of 2021. And so remember, AI is just taking a bunch of information that it knows about and basically regurgitating what it has learned. So if I ask it about something that happened in 2022 or 2023, it's not going to have that knowledge. Like, let's say, for example, I'm looking at purchasing a car and I ask it about the safety features of the 2023 Toyota Camry. It's not going to have that knowledge. So we have to understand when the knowledge cutoff is. Now, with version 4, this is a paid version of ChatGPT. And version 4 is actually a little bit slower, but that's because it's capable of doing much more and it's pulling from a much larger data set. It's going to give you better results, more accurate results, and it features cool new beta options like browsing with Bing and support for plugins. It's always available, but you have limitations. Now, right now, there's a certain set of limitations with version 4. However, you have to understand as you watch this course, AI is changing extremely rapidly. So things might change by the time you're watching this content. And it's basically impossible to update this course as frequently as AI changes. So right now, the limitation that comes with ChatGPT version 4 is a limitation of 50 prompts per 3 hours. So you can give it basically 50 questions every 3 hours. If you try to go above and beyond that, it won't let you. But again, that might change by the time you're watching this video. One of the other big benefits of ChatGPT version 4 is that it has more current data. The knowledge cutoff for ChatGPT version 4 is December of 2023. There is also an enterprise version of ChatGPT. So let's take a moment to look at that. So here we are at the landing page for ChatGPT Enterprise, and you can see a URL for this website shown here on your screen. ChatGPT Enterprise is a much more expensive, but a much more powerful ChatGPT solution, specifically designed for businesses. It's going to be faster, and it's going to reduce or eliminate many of the limitations that you have with ChatGPT version 4. So there's no usage caps, there's higher performance, and there's features coming that will eventually make it even more powerful, like using your own company's data with ChatGPT version 4. Now, this is really beyond the scope of what we're trying to learn here in this course. We just want to introduce you to the different tools. But if you're looking at this for your organization, we just want you to understand that ChatGPT Enterprise is an option for those more business critical type of workloads.